This is Tania, Gail, and I am out here with Marcus Crawford.
Hey.
From Idaho Quadcopter.
Idaho Quadcopter here.
Yay, we're flying again, surprisingly.
Hard to believe.
And it is a beautiful, beautiful noontime at Merrill Park here in, where, Meridian?
Well, this is Eagle.
This would be Eagle.
Yeah,
It's
this
gorgeous.
is Eagle, Idaho, and we're on a little island on the Boise River, just off of the Boise Greenbelt.
Yeah, very nice.
Or Eagle Greenbelt, I guess you'd call it.
Yes,
Yeah.
I guess. I love the fact that we have green spaces here.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go flying.
For anybody in Idaho, Bardonnay is that way.
Okay. Well, I will tell you, we're gonna do a little bit of experiment here. But I heard that hopefully I'm gonna try to get my RC controller to work with my Air 2. And we're gonna experiment today and see if that'll work. I'll let you guys know. Alrighty, let's go flying. Alright, so we are in an aircraft. It's warning me that I'm in the aircraft warning zone.
150 meters is all that means, and we're not going to fly that high.
No, not today. So today I am going to go in here, go fly. Where is my... Alright, we're going to take off. Zone point has been updated. Oh, I see us.
Nice.
Oh, guys, I wish you were here. This is a perfect fall day to go flying, and the weather couldn't have been better. The scenery here is gorgeous. The mountains in the distance, are they the Oahe?
The Boise Mountains this way. That way are the Oahes.
The Oahe. So what's this way?
That's the Boise Front.
Oh, that's still the Boise Front. Okay,
Yeah.
because you can see them. I'm gonna lift up so you guys can see the Boise Front. And I'm probably gonna have to lift up.
The Boise Central Mountains, they call them often.
Oh, is that what they're officially called?
Yeah.
Because I'm calling them, I think it's the Bogus Basin Mountains.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, hello, you're recording. This is great. Alrighty, so I took the Air 2 for a spin in this beautiful river island that we're at, and I also tried to connect my RC Pro controller to the Air 2, and unfortunately there's no software update for it, so you can only connect the RC Pro controller to an Air 2S, which I do not have. So that was a little bit of a finding there, so I just went back to the, alright, I'm gonna say it, I call this controller the NCO one. I will forever call it that. It's the basic controller.
The NC1701.
The NC1701, that's what it's being called now for me. And it works just fine, but it would be nice to have one controller to rule them all. Wouldn't it be? So DJI, if you're listening, one controller. Thanks. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please like the video and subscribe for more fun adventures here in beautiful Idaho. Happy flying, everybody.
Thank you.